Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and let's look at affiliate marketing on YouTube for beginners. Affiliate marketing is a really great way to earn income from YouTube, and the great thing about it is you don't even have to have a monetized YouTube channel. Basically, in my personal experience, I earn about 10 times as much revenue from affiliate marketing than I do from the actual AdSense. I'm going to show you a case study of a recent video that I put up, and I'll show you the earnings from the video, and I'll also show you the affiliate earnings. And this is really great for anyone who's starting out because it actually costs nothing to do. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing on YouTube, stick around and I'll show you how to do it right now. So this is a video that I published about a week ago. It's got 10,000 views roughly and has earned me about $100 in Australian revenue. But in this video, I was talking about an affiliate product called OpenArt AI. And we can have a look that I only just recently signed up to this affiliate program. And from that video that I created, and I think one or two more, it's generated almost $1,000 in affiliate commissions from 864 clicks. 500 people signed up to the program and 60 people have become paid customers. So you can see that that metric that I've found to be true, that for every $100 you earn on the ad revenue, if you're promoting an affiliate product, you'll actually earn 10 times the amount of money in affiliate sales. So you really don't have to have a monetized YouTube channel to make money on YouTube. Now, the cool thing is that this is the affiliate program that I was promoting. It's called OpenArt AI. And I don't even have a current paid subscription to this service. Basically, the angle that I took is that there's this brand new AI video creator called Sora 2, and people are having problems accessing it because it's only available in the United States. But I did a little bit of research and I found that this website, OpenArt AI, actually has Sora 2 inbuilt into it. So you can do a text to video, and in this you can select Sora 2. So this website, OpenArt AI, does have an affiliate program. Basically, all you need to do to find out whether a website has an affiliate program is just find the menu either on the left-hand side or by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the website. I think I found this one in More here, and you can see their affiliate program. You click on that and it will take you to the page where you apply to join the affiliate program. From there, it's as simple as either doing a review of this website or picking an angle like I did, where there was a similar product that didn't have an affiliate program. But I said, instead of using that, you can use OpenArt AI. So when you sign up for an affiliate program, sometimes it takes, sometimes you get instantly approved. Other times it takes a day or two for them to have a look at your application. But once you are into the affiliate program, they will give you an affiliate link. And it's as simple as copying that and popping that in the description of the video that you've created. Now I'll leave a link to this video here so you can actually watch what I did to make all of these sales, and it's really not that hard. The process is basically just finding an affiliate program and then signing up for it, making a quick review of that product by using just like a screen recorder. And I've proven in this instance, you don't even have to have a paid subscription to the product that you are promoting. Although sometimes I often reach out to these companies that I promote and I say, hey, look, I'm a YouTuber. I've got, this many subscribers. Would you be able to offer me a premium account in exchange for me making some videos about your product? And a lot of times they will say yes, or the partner manager will say yes and create a account for me. But you can see here in this particular video, I've just got in the description there, you can try OpenArt AI here. And I'm also promoting NordVPN there. And I've just got my two links. That's just the raw affiliate link, and that works really well. You'll notice if I go into the analytics of this video that most of the traffic to this video is coming from a source here that it says external. That's because this is a trending topic, Sora 2, and I was able to land on the first page of Google with this YouTube video. So if I go to Google and type in Sora 2 get codes, this is access codes, you'll see that if you scroll down, 2 of my videos there are appearing right up on the first page of Google, right there and right there. That is why I'm getting so much traffic. And it's really simple to find these really golden keywords. I just use Google's own tool called Google Trends. It's trends.google.com. So when you visit trends.google.com, you just type in the topic that you want keywords for. In this case, it was Sora, and I hit enter. And then what we need to do is change this from the country that you're in to worldwide. And instead of past day, I usually go the past 90 days. And then I can type in other ones like Sora 2, Sora how to. So this will give you now all of the searches that people have been doing. And these are the high search keywords. So if you picked any of these topics and turned that into a YouTube video, it would probably do really well. So you can see here that people are typing in Sora to invite or how to get Sora invite code. And you'll see that my videos are titled Sora to invite codes. So, I mean, it's very simple. I'm getting all that traffic free from Google. And then instead of trying to sell Sora to people, although I do provide that solution in the video as a value add, I'm also saying, if you want access to Sora 2 without a VPN or, from outside of the US, you could always use OpenArt AI. And then I'm just giving them the alternative. And as you can see, a whole bunch of people have signed up, and then I earn affiliate commissions. The great thing about these is these are reoccurring commissions. So if these people keep using this tool every month, I will get passive income from those people that have signed up. Now, if you want help in your own journey to earning income online, or if you want some one-on-one training about how to do affiliate marketing or content creation on social media, just visit studiohacks.net. This is my website. And here you can book a one-on-one coaching call with me that we do via Zoom. You can also get more information about my full 3-hour video course where I give in-depth training into the last 8 years of my journey in affiliate marketing and in content creation on YouTube, but also on other platforms. And if you are a complete beginner and you just want some information about how I do what I do, I also have a PDF, which is my entry level offer. That's 91 pages showing you everything that I do and how I create my income online. While you're here, make sure you do subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about today's video, make sure you leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.